Remember Dr. Stella Adadevoh, the consultant physician and endocrinologist who played a pivotal role in preventing the spread of the deadly Ebola virus in Nigeria back in 2014. Well, today marks 11 years since she lost her life to the virus in the course of duty, an uncommon sacrifice to humanity. Our next report takes a look at Dr. Adadevoh's heroic efforts, which yielded results for the greater public good.
Nigeria has now recorded 7 confirmed cases of Ebola virus disease.
One of the numerous information the then health authorities in Nigeria provided to the general public during the outbreak of the deadly Ebola virus in the country in the year 2014. At the time, what is considered the largest outbreak of Ebola virus disease was going on in West Africa, affecting primarily Guinea, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Senegal. Until July 20, 2014, when the first case of the disease came into Nigeria through a Liberian American, Patrick Sawyer, who was physically sick on arrival into the country for a conference in Port Harcourt. He ended up at the First Consultant Hospital in Lagos, where healthcare professionals, led by consultant physician and endocrinologist Dr. Stella Adadevoh, attended to him.
Regrettably, the female doctor who attended to the index case at the private hospital in Lagos is infected.
Dr. Adadevoh, alongside 3 of her colleagues, contracted the disease through what was described as the violent effort of Patrick Sawyer to discharge himself from the hospital, a move she and the hospital management stood against, which saved millions of lives that could have been exposed to the virus, but one that took the life of Dr. Adadevoh and her 3 colleagues. By October 2014, when Nigeria was declared free of the Ebola virus disease by the World Health Organization, the country had recorded 20 laboratory-confirmed EVD cases and a total of 8 deaths.
She was a very courageous person throughout her life, not even through the way she died. She was a true inspiration, and as her family, we miss her greatly. We used to call her small but mighty, so none of us were really surprised that she did what she did in 2014. But it's still very painful 11 years later, and that's why we're determined to make sure that we keep her legacy alive.
Dr. Adadevoh has been honored posthumously at different times, including a national honor of Officer of the Order of Niger, OON, and a movie, 93 Days, was shot in her memory. Her legacy also lives on through the Dr. Ameyo Stella Adadevoh Health Trust.
What she did is our driving philosophy at the organization at DRASA. We've worked in 32 states. We've established 13 health emergency response systems at 13 of Nigeria's largest points of entry, airports, seaports, and land borders in 9 states. We've equipped over 96,000 people, everyday people, to become health champions.
11 years after, Dr. Stella Adadevoh's heroic act during Nigeria's Ebola crisis is a testament to the power of courage and selflessness in the face of adversity and the critical role healthcare professionals play in safeguarding public health. Yomi Otaibe, Channels Television News.